Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to watch Crunchyroll in Amazon Prime. Here for this what you have to do is open your Amazon Prime and log into your account. Then tap on the Crunchyroll. You will see it right there on your home page. As we know, Amazon Prime Video and Crunchyroll are different streaming services, so you cannot directly watch Crunchyroll content on Amazon Prime Video. However, there is a workaround, so you can use if you have Amazon Prime membership and Crunchyroll subscriptions. Tap on Crunchyroll and you will see continue. Tap on it. After subscriptions, you will be asked to create an account. So if you're new, create your account by filling up all the necessary information as asked. So that's it. If you find our video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.